Every 2 weeks, we get a box of fruit and veg delivered to our house. And a while ago, when we had our delivery, before we started eating any of it, I took some photos. And I thought this would make a good video with German vocabulary of fruit and veg. Deutsche Vokabeln, Obst und Gemüse. Das Obst, which is fruit. Das Gemüse, your vegetable. Die Kiste, that's your box. And if you put all that together, you'll end up with die Obst- und Gemüsekiste, the fruit and veggie box. Now, I've got it in singular there, but I doubt you would ever just get one blueberry in a veggie box. If you did, I think I would complain. But there are several words for blueberries in German. And the two most common ones are die Heidelbeere, or, which is more recognizable for you, die Blaubeere. And in plural, that would be Heidelbeeren or Blaubeeren. Die Birne, if you just got one pair, or die Birnen, if you got more than one. Der Apfel, one apple. Die Äpfel, plural, more than one apple. Die Banane, if it's one banana, or die Bananen, if you've got more than one. Die Mandarine, which is one tangerine, and Mandarinen is more than one. Our lovely carrot in German has got quite a few names. The most common ones are die Karotte, which you would recognize straight away, and also die Möhre. And in plural, that would be Karotten or Möhren. There are lots more words, but they're all very regional. If you are interested, just put carrot in the dictionary and see how many other ones there are. Der Brokkoli, almost spelt the same as the English broccoli. Der Blumenkohl, cauliflower, literally flower cabbage. But of course, it's cauliflower. Blumenkohl. Der Kohl, there's your cabbage. Die Zwiebel, if you have one onion, or Zwiebeln, if it's more than one. And finally, no veggie box would be without a potato, die Kartoffel, or actually more than one potato, Kartoffeln. And that just leaves me to tell you that everything in there tasted very good. Lecker. It was tasty.